Welcome to Demo Day. We are the Heritage Group Accelerator powered by Techstars. We are the founders of 10 revolutionary ideas and have traveled from all over the world to Indianapolis, where we have spent the last 13 weeks working to take our businesses to the next level. Our companies span a variety of industries, from advanced materials and revolutionary recycling processes to additive manufacturing and game-changing software. We all have one thing in common. We are solving some of the world's most complicated problems. Here's how.
Cancrie is transforming waste into specialty carbons. Cybrik is reimagining engineering workflow. Carbon Limit is reversing climate change through concrete. Kintail is orchestrating unconnected data. BroadLoop is making roadway projects intelligent. EnviCore is rebuilding Earth's ecosystems. Simplifyber is launching the next generation in clothing production. Cloverleaf is delivering lost government data. InFLOWS is developing a GPS for R&D chemists. And Innovakote is pioneering recycled powder coating.
We are the extraordinary teams driving change in legacy industries and building solutions to global challenges. And we are just getting started.